Well, I came today to Grand Arts, Bunker Hill, downtown LA. It's raining. We'll see if we can get some images today. Some street photography. I think it's gonna make an interesting shot here. I like the buildings, architecture. It's kind of cool. Let's see what we can get. Well, it's still raining out here. I'm here with the concert hall. Is it concert hall? You get some nice shots over here when it's not raining. Even though it's raining, you still get some shots. Just gotta find somewhere you won't get wet. Sometimes we can get caught in the rain. Nothing really much to shoot, but you can look for interesting things. Like I'm looking at this little puddles on the chairs here, and on top of the table. See what I get in out of it. I'll give it a try. Every time I come down here, I like looking at this angle right here. I like the way the texture of the different buildings come together. It's a very great, interesting shot. We come off the train right here on the bridge on Grand Avenue Arts in Bunker Hill. On top, get some good shots. Just looking over. People crossing the street, something like that. So just stop by and look around before you guys keep walking. Well, I gave up paying too much. So I'm going back down, heading back home. I'm back another day. Talk to you guys later. Bye.